Hello, mateys. Welcome to my pirate cooking show. Today I'm going to be making a fruitcake for my crew. So I'm going to start with an orange.
Hello, everybody. I'm a duck.
Okay, orange, get in the pot. Get in the pot. Okay, thank you. Apple. I need my apple. Arrgh. Okay, get in the pot. Mix together. Mix together. Okay, I need my grape. Arrgh. Grape. Hey, mix together. Mix together. Fruitcake is mixed together. Mix together. Okay, I need my banana. Hey, mix together. Mix together. Mix together. Okay, and I need my salt. Pepper on top. Thank you. Thank you. Pepper on top. Okay, I need my strawberries. Okay, mix together, guys. And I need my water.
Nice.
Okay, now I need my sugar.
I am nice and sweet.
Clean it up a bit. Okay, mix it around, mix it around, mix it around. And last but not least, I need my flour to stick it all together.
Yo, yo, yo.
Mix it all together, mix it all together. All right. Stand up. All right. Gonna put you in the oven.